In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add brushes to Photoshop. Now this is fairly easy, so let me show you what you need to do. So first go ahead and find a brush. For me, I've just searched Photoshop brushes free download, and I've opened the first one, and I've just downloaded this one here. Now you can download any brush. When you download them though, they'll probably download as a .zip file. You will need to open that and extract the file. So here is this file. We can go ahead and then put this ABR file, which is going to be the brush file, anywhere on a computer. So I'll copy it from the zip file and I'll just put it into week 38 just so I know where it is. You just basically need to put it onto your computer. Now we've got this ABR file on our computer, we can open Photoshop, then go to your brush tool in Photoshop. Now click on the brush tool here at the top, click the downwards arrow, then click settings. Now you want to click import brushes, and then you need to find the ABR file, which for me is in week 38. Go ahead and then find your brush and click load, and it will then load those brushes. Now here you can see those brushes are in a folder, so if you click on them, you can see all of these different brushes that were in this folder. So let's try it. We'll click on the first one and we'll change the color to black. So now you can see when you click on the canvas, the brush appears, and it's just like that, it's done. That's how you can add a brush to Photoshop.